They tell us that history is made in the daylight. They tell us that empires rise and fall in the halls of Parliament under the flash of 1,000 cameras. But if you want to see the truth of 2026, you have to look at the shadows. You have to look at the moments just before the sun rises over the Atlantic. While the world was distracted by the noise of the global north, a silent pivot occurred. 200 elite U.S. military advisors, specialists in unconventional warfare and digital intelligence, stepped off a transport plane and onto the